Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have a quinoa with baked salmon in foil. Let's get started. All ingredients below in my info box. You can use any vegetable that you have. In my case, I'm gonna using zucchini, orange bell peppers, and Chinese eggplant. And also we are gonna be using a salmon fillet, couple of tablespoons of butter, and garlic, and aluminum foil to wrap it and take it to the oven. And right here I have my Japanese rice cooker, and in there we have my quinoa. She's cooking right now, so we have to wait 17 minutes. For a while we are gonna prepare the salmon fillets. Just take your knife and make these lines, the same as you're watching on the video. And right here I have pieces of butter, so please try to put it in the middle of the lines that I'm making. And right now I'm gonna be place the garlic, seasoning with salt and black pepper to taste. Right here I have my tray, and we are gonna be wrapping salmon fillets in the aluminum foil, the same as you're watching on the video, okay? Just follow the same steps. And when you already have your salmon fillet packet, just take it to the oven, okay? My electric oven is preheat right now. Put the salmon fillets there and cook at 450 degrees for 40 minutes, 20 minutes per fillet. Okay, the time are passed, and right here I have my salmon. Smells so good, and this is perfect cooked. So let me put my package back in the oven to keep it warm. Okay, now in this skillet, it's warm right now. I will put some butter, olive oil, and also garlic. When the butter is melted, add all your veggies. Mix everything. Add some salt and black pepper to taste. And cover for a few minutes. Now let's see what's going on with my veggies. So it's a little bit dry, and I'm gonna be using some chicken broth, or you can add water if you want. And now it's time to add my quinoa. It's already cooked. Mix everything, and that's it. Right here I have my plate with my quinoa served with vegetables, and I will place my salmon fillet. And guys, this is the final result. I hope you like my recipe. Please subscribe if you are new, thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. This recipe smells so good, guys. And I have my little girl waiting for something. Right here I have some quinoa with asparagus, and she's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She's with me every Wednesdays with my recipes, and she has own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.